Is there a simple way to upgrade these dim headlights at home?
AUTOONE sends these specially wrapped LED headlights to try out in the Mitsubishi. And there's good news at the end of this video, so stick around. First step of installing the AUTOONE LED headlights, we're gonna pop the hood on the Mitsubishi. Then we'll get the secondary latch open so that we can see the back of the headlights. So once you get the connector off the headlight bulb, then you can take the rubber grommet off the back of the headlight so that you can access the latch system on the back of the bulb. Push this and it releases. The old bulb will come right out, just like this. Here's the old halogen bulb. Now we'll get the new bulb out of the package. Then we're going to pay attention specifically location of those 3 tabs. Once you get the tabs lined up and the bulb is firmly in its place, reattach it so that the bulb is secure. Once you get the rubber weather protector in place, it just pushes on the lip right there. It's that simple. They make it very simple to change them out on your own. And once the rubber grommet's pushed on, you just push the connector back on the end of the bulb. So we pull the electrical connector off. Then notice the orientation of those 2 tabs on this rubber grommet. Pull this rubber grommet off. Rubber grommet is off, and we'll release the lock just like on the other side. And now the bulb will come right out. There's the old bulb. So just like the other side, we're going to line up those 3 tabs. Then we'll put the lock back in place that holds the bulb where it belongs. And we'll fit that over the socket, push the rubber grommet in place. That keeps the weather out. Once the connector is lined up, you just push it so that it's secure. Then we can close the hood and see how it looks. Now you have modern looking headlights.
Here's the before we changed the headlights.
And here's after the AUTOONE LED bulbs are installed. Wow, that is amazing.
So if you want to modernize your vehicle, I have a link in the description with a special 15% discount code of FunWithCars for you to use to get your very own LED bulbs from AUTOONE.